morning, friends. I love the spring. And with the sun staying out longer, there's more time to make new things. I like to make pancakes. Let's make some together. For our princess pancakes, we will only need 8 ingredients. We will need 2 cups of milk, 2 eggs, 2 tablespoons of butter, 2 cups of flour, 2 teaspoons of baking powder, 1/4 of a teaspoon of salt, a tablespoon of sugar, and 1/3 cup of chocolate chips. First, we'll mix the dry ingredients and start by sifting our 2 cups of flour to help with the lumps. After our flour is sifted, we'll add 2 teaspoons of baking powder, along with 1 tablespoon of sugar and 1/4 teaspoon of salt. After we're finished mixing our dry ingredients, we can mix our wet ingredients together too, starting with 2 cups of milk, then finishing with 2 eggs and 2 tablespoons of butter. Now let's mix them all together. Now we can take our whisk and mix both our wet and dry ingredients together. And the 8th optional ingredient is chocolate chips. Yay! You made it! Now we can finally cook our chocolate chip pancakes. Remember, the chocolate chips are optional, but they're a very good addition. After we've finished heating up our pan and melting our butter, we have to measure out our pancake batter. I'm using 1/4 of a cup, but it all depends on how many pancakes you want to make. This ingredients list calls for 10 pancakes, so you can make more or less depending on the recipe. Wait until the pancake has bubbles, and then you'll know you can flip it. See how easy it is? Now you can make your own pancakes. Yay! I hope you enjoyed making pancakes together. My princess friends and I would love to see your pancake creations, so tag us on Instagram. Hope you have a lovely day. See you soon. Bye!